Hello, welcome to Channel Juan and welcome to this midwinter tour. There's nothing to show, I just want to say hello to everyone. And I might as well show you the nothingness of the garden at this time of the year. What should I show you first? How about the chayotes, which are in deep slumber? If you remember, last summer we had chayotes here, one here, another here, and another there. I covered them with hay or straw to protect them from the winter. We hope to see them again in the spring. We hope that they re-emerge and we enjoy early harvest of chayotes. Don't forget to come back and see whether they're able to come back. And possibly the most indestructible crop, garlic. I planted them late November. And we expect to have good harvest of garlic this year. They need the winter to develop, let's say, bigger bulbs. I'm flanked by two apple trees here which are chilling. We expect to see them bloom with their glorious blooms in springtime. Don't forget to come back to enjoy the blooms and the chirping of the birds as well. The grapevine is also sleeping, but I think the apple tree's leaves emerge first before those of the grapevine. There are lots of things to look forward to in the springtime. That's why I'm excited. The pond did not freeze this year. I hope the winter remains mild. And do you remember the Dutch lasagna that we prepared last November? Here's a look back. 3 layers of spring bulbs, narcissus, and finally the crocus. And here it is now. A sign that springtime is near is this. The crocus are beginning to emerge. I'm excited. I hope you two are excited. And also the camellias. Let's conclude our short tour today. I'd like to say thank you for joining me and come back early spring for more of the attractions, more of the beauty of nature and of the garden here on Channel Juan, where we grow, cook and share. Let's go home. See you next time and see you on the next video.